Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel, Two Brothers Outdoors
On the homestead.
Homestead Edition.
No, it's on the homestead, you said.
On the homestead.
Homesteader. The homestead.
Alright, as you can see, we got 3 more inches of snow last night. Did you know it was supposed to snow?
No.
I didn't either. Did you hear about Monday?
No.
Monday and Tuesday we're supposed to get 20 inches from a nor'easter.
No kidding. Wow.
Wow, I'm about tired of this.
Guess we better get that wall up, huh?
I guess we're like at springtime here, and why are we getting all the snow we didn't get this winter?
Quit complaining. Be happy you're alive.
That's true. Getting old's a blessing. Did you know that?
No.
Because if you weren't getting old, you're dead. All right, guys, we're going to run up and check the cameras real quick and see what we got hitting the food buckets. And then we're going to come back. We're going to work on Tim's wall. We're going to pick out a Dawn tree and put that on the ground.
Better say hi to Miss Allie.
Oh, hold on. We got to say hi to Miss Allie. Miss Allie, would you like to say hi to everybody? Would you like to say hi? Would you like to say hi? You sweetheart. You a sweetheart. All right, guys. We got a lot to do today. We're going to get busy right now. I gagged this morning, ate breakfast, and relaxed and watched Swamp People. Thank God I did, because it looked like Tim's been busy. He had to dig out his back wall so we could put the wall up. All this junk. Glad I missed that. All right, so we're going to put siding on this today. And hopefully it'll turn out as nice. All winter, we've gotten very little snow. Mostly rain, actually. Once we hit March, it was like, Katie barred the door. Winter's coming. We're only a few days away from spring, and this is really aggravating. Guys, there's the bait bucket. It's still buried in snow, but you can see there's tracks in the snow. So something's hitting it. So we're going to go over here to the camera and find out what. Snow is almost knee deep now. And all winter we haven't had any amount of snow at all. Quit rubbernecking and looking for me and come on. What do you got?
Got a coyote, but I can't tell. My glass is too dark. I gotta get in.
Well, mine is telling a distinct story.
It's what?
My camera is telling a distinct story.
What?
I got raccoon and fisher fighting over the bucket, and then I got a coyote coming in almost every single night between 18 and 20. That's like what?
6 and 8. 6 to 8.
6 to 8 after dark.
Yeah.
Pretty good sized coyote too.
Yeah.
So you got a coyote coming into yours.
I don't know what time. I couldn't see. My glass is too dark.
All right. Well, I took my card too. I brought an extra card so we can look at it when we get back.
Yep.
All right, let's go. Let's get started.
Yep.
On your sawmill?
Yep.
You sure?
Yep.
You want to do it?
Yep.
Okay. Bye now.
Why wouldn't I?
All right. So we're going to look for a Dawn tree real quick and cut it down so that the sap doesn't run up in it and gets real sappy. We won't be able to get it out of here until spring, but at least we can get it down so it's not drawing sap. So let's see if we can find ourselves a Dawn tree.
How about this one?
That's a bar top tree too.
How about that one over there?
Let me look. No, that's a giant. That's definitely a bar top tree.
You don't think we can decide with anything out of this one?
It's kind of crooked. Let's walk over here and take a look at it. Well, what do you think?
Got one good one coming all dead stuff. You got a crooked one off to the left, and you get the 2 dead ones there.
I wonder if that's a crotch or whether that's...
I think it's a crotch, right?
It is a crotch. Oh.
There's 3 pieces there.
Yeah, that's not going to work. If we could get a ladder and cut it there, it would work, but with that crotch there and all these dead trees in front of it, that's just a disaster. That's going to happen.
Well, it'll come down. There's a bunch of small wood here.
Yeah, I think we'll have to pass on this one. We'll have to find another one. Guess we'll have to wait till after the snowstorm. All right, let's go get your mill done.
Don't you have some big ones over there behind your house?
Yeah, they're too big too. They're huge. We're going to have to find either a big spruce tree or white pine. I don't want to do it out of hemlock because hemlock splits too easy. We'll find something. No big deal. We got a while to go yet. Well, folks, I didn't get out of shoveling totally. I had to shovel all this sawdust out of the way while he was taking the tarps down. You're going to make me work one way or another today, aren't you? There's a siren.
Yeah.
Maybe we hear a coyote howl.
Nope.
Maybe not. Okay, we got the first wall brace up. That's ready for siding. We'll do the next one over here, and then we'll start popping the siding on. You couldn't have made a straighter cut.
I could have.
Used a
I could have.
radial arm saw.
I bet Paul could have made a real straight cut. Still, Paul, you know who I'm talking about. Yeah.
I would have still.
Oh, yeah.
Never get a
His
straight
194, my God, I bet that 194 cut it straight as straight could be. Well, I may want to race that one.
Yeah.
Where are you going, brother?
We laid the phone down and it continued to tape. Continue to video. You're not going to see anything, but you're going to hear some cursing because the board fell out of Tim's foot.
Without steel toes.
All right, let's get the upward in, and then we get the siding on. Okay, we got the framing up on both walls. Now we start the siding. Looking good. Looking pretty good.
Mm-hmm. Not being in construction, you're pretty talented.
I ain't a damn carpenter, I can tell you that.
But we did get your ball head on camera.
Oh, thank you very much.
Of course, you can clip that out.
There's nothing to nail it to. You're going into the other
Put a
pieces.
screw in there.
You put a little screw in there. You can't put a big screw in
A little
there.
short one.
I don't know.
You think it'll be all right?
Yeah, I think it'd be all right.
Yeah.
That looks good. We got those angles perfect, didn't we?
You did. You did a good job. Stand back and take a look at my meal.
All right. We got one more side to do, and then we're done with this one. What you doing?
Mm-hmm.
Dulling the nails, aren't you? So don't split the wood.
Mm-hmm.
Who taught you that?
Mm-hmm. This came out perfect.
Looking nice. Last nail. Last nail, last board. Get out of the way so you can see what it looks like. I like it.
Good job.
And you got his big door at the end. I think that'll work out perfect. Let's see what it looks like from the inside. Oh, look at that.
On Monday.
All right.
Came out good.
I think it came out
That
excellent.
looks like one continuous piece, don't it?
It does. Really came out nice. Okay, guys. So we got Tim's mill finished, except for the curtain on the front. We got to make up some cables. In order to do that, we have to get some crimps for the cables. So in the meantime, he's over there cleaning up his mess. I'm going to try to move some of this snow from behind mine so the sawdust can actually blow out instead of up against the snow. Of course, with 20 inches coming on Monday and Tuesday, who knows? Still snowing here. Wasn't supposed to. Never said anything about snow today, but here it is. All right, so I stuffed my tractor in this small bay, keep it out of the winter, keep it off the mill so that we could use the mill, because usually once we get ice stuff with no chains on the tires, it's not much of a help. But the snow's kind of sticky, so I'm going to see if I can move some of that snow with a tractor. Hasn't started all winter. God almighty, you can't beat this old technology. Fired right up. Amazing. Well, I may never get it back in the shed, but I got it out. Let's see if we can move a little bit of this snow out of the way. Well guys, it did pretty good. So I'm gonna have to shovel the rest of it out of there. If I can get this up to the shed, it'll be golden. It's uphill all the way. And we're spinning. This is gonna be fun. All right guys, I don't know how I managed it, but I got up the hill, got it back in the shed. Don't have to worry about that until spring. Actually, if I had a set of tire chains for it, that would probably be okay, but I don't, and I can't find any used ones at a reasonable price, so oh well. All right, we're going to clear this out the rest of the way, and I think we'll be done for the day. And then we're going coyote hunting after dark tonight, because we do have coyotes coming into the piles. All right, so I was able to get it dug out. That looks pretty good right there. Hopefully they're wrong about that nor'easter coming Tuesday, Monday. We're not going to get any snow. That make me just happy. That right there, not made for old men. I can tell you that. Whew. All right. All right, guys. So we're done for today. I got snow cleared out behind my mill. He got his siding up. We were running out of time. We didn't get up to knock down a Don tree, but we will sometime soon. We're hoping this nor'easter misses us, and we get zero snow, because right now we're okay on the snow.
Well, you said that the last time we got hammered.
Yes. All right, guys. Thanks for watching, and hit that subscribe button, thumbs up, the bell. Don't miss the bell.
Look at that deer head.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Until the next one, we will catch you later. Oh, and real quick, we're working on that video thing where we can all
thingy chatty booger.
Yeah, the live feed with everybody able to get on.
Well, I ordered a computer and it was supposed to be here today, and guess what? It didn't show up. So we're gonna be postponed for just a little while longer.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.
See ya.